Tips to make your email marketing more visual. There are a number of ways to make your email marketing more visual, and there are two main areas to focus on. They are your landing page or squeeze page and your emails themselves. Here are a few hints and tips. Your squeeze page. Your squeeze page needs to be impressive in order to get people to sign up for your email list. There are a number of ways you can do this. Use an attractive sign-up form. You should have an attractive sign-up form for people to use when entering their name and email address. Most email marketing services should offer a range of attractive templates. For example, Aweber has a range of forms you can select based on color and style. You could choose a color that matches your logo, or choose a themed form, such as food, sports, or hobbies. You can also use various squeeze page software that allow you to use a full screen responsive image or video to create a different style of opt-in page, which is another name for a squeeze page. Create a strong headline that will stand out. Let your visitors know what is on offer and why they should care. Other elements you might decide to place on the page could very well be key to getting people to sign up. These days, most smart email marketers offer a free special report or e-course. Create an attractive cover for it. Write some marketing copy that tells the reader what they will get when they sign up. The entire page should be attractive and focused on a single goal, which should be to impress them enough visually to get their email address. Your logo. This helps brand your newsletter. Create a custom header. In the same way that newspapers have a banner across the top that says, for example, the Financial Times, you can create one that reflects your brand and the nature of your newsletter or other emails you will be sending. A matching HTML template. Use a template with the same colors as your logo to make the emails align with your brand. Several autoresponder services have a wide range to choose from. Add one relevant image. Images can be a bit tricky in email because they are often suppressed by the recipient's email client, so readers may not always see your logo, header, or image. However, they do have the option to click to show images. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, you can wow them with a high-quality image that supports the content you are publishing. Use an easy-to-read font. Sans serif fonts like Helvetica, Arial, or Verdana are good choices. They make the content easy to scan quickly. If you want to slow down people's reading, use Times New Roman. Use sub-headers. Sub-headers give clues as to what you will be talking about and also break up the page so there is more white space, making it easier to read. Don't use multiple columns. Put one item after the other, with headlines or sub-headers in between. In this way, people can read your content easily, even on the mobile phones. Make your plain text email look attractive too. You won't have any images or fancy fonts, but you can even make a plain text email look great with headlines, subheadings, use of capital letters to call attention to important information, and lines created using characters instead of horizontal lines in between items to box them off, such as if you were running an ad in your newsletter. Use these 10 tips to improve your visuals, and you should see your email marketing response rate increase.